For years, marketers have been debating and fighting over direct response marketing or branding. And the truth is, fighting over either one is actually a real trap. And here's why. Branding in and of itself is actually a situation where a lot of experts say, teach, 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 give, give, give. And if you do that, people are just going to buy from you. And then on the other hand, we've got direct response marketing. And with direct response marketing, traditionally, this has been thought of as, if you go out and sell, 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 you'll make more money. The problem is it ends up being a short-term type of solution. And it limits the amount of referrals you can get. It limits the experience because people are a bit uncomfortable subconsciously. So what is the solution? What we found in reviewing over 5,000 companies, some of the biggest brands in the world, small successful companies and everything in between, is the new approach is direct response branding. This approach builds your brand and your authority at scale. Plus, it makes offers that are measurable, responsible, and done right highly profitable. Is that what you want? If that's what you want, direct response branding is the answer. It's a hybrid model that works for you. It gives you predictable growth. It helps you connect and convert with your clients so you can get more new leads, more new appointments, more new clients daily and profitably. It's the new way, incorporating each of these 5 pillars in the process, an operating system to be able to, have clarity, to go from invisible and world's best kept secret to high visibility at scale, to be in a situation where maybe you're struggling with inconsistent or low quality leads, to have leads coming in every single day. Or if you're struggling with low conversions or all the work, all the efforts, all the sales are really predicated on you as the founder. Well, guess what? Education-based conversion events solve that as well. And then pillar number 5 in the process is implement, which Harvard says 90% of businesses struggle with execution and implementation. Now, if you'd like to learn this new way, this 5-pillar approach, and all of the latest things working right now, then I want to encourage you to join us and learn more about our one-day gathering coming up right around the corner, where we're bringing 7 and 8-figure founders, our clients, and partners together in an intimate setting with just a handful of people to go deep on what's working now, solving problems, connecting, collaborating, and a whole lot more. These are the same strategies that our clients are using. In fact, I've got a quick screenshot here of a handful of our clients, a small snapshot like Bruce, the artist, Vern Harnish, former or the co-founder of EO and YEO and his business partner, and Anna and Dean Graziosi and Dr. Sachin and Mike and Joe Polish and many, many more, the founder of ESPN. If you'd like to learn the strategies we've been able to work with them to build into their business to help them grow and scale with a lot less stress, then I want to encourage you, if you want to learn more about the one-day gathering, type branding down below and we'll send you all the details, availability, and a whole lot more. Type branding in the comments below. We'll send you the details and go from there. And remember this, if you don't get the direct response branding model and methodology in place, what's it costing you in reputation, in sales? How much money are you leaving on the table? Well, what if in just a one-day gathering, you could get the blueprint to solve your biggest growth problems right now? That's what we're doing. Type branding below. We look forward to working with you. See you soon. Bye for now.